He tells her what to do. She starts the car up. Magically, it works. She says, I'm so grateful. Thank you. You know, what can I call you? What's your name? He says to her, you can call me River, darling. The River Man is a book and a documentary about the Green River Killer who hunted prostitutes in Seattle, Washington, or outside of Seattle, Washington, and dumped their bodies in the Green River. There's a body of water there. All 4 of these women were prostitutes, and they were partially submerged in this, stream, if
Yeah.
you will. I'm like, wait a second.